Hello, welcome back to today's series. And of course, we'll be walking you through how to customize your mobile app menus. Okay, so either is the native app you're using, the web app, or a customized app that was developed or deployed for you, we're able to control the entire menu of your app. So of course, you get to see here you don't have to see airtime and data on your menu. The essence of this is because from the admin panel, it has been disabled. Okay, so it has been disabled. Of course, whatever features you get to disable from your admin panel, it automatically reflects across your mobile app as long as the customer log out and log in again. The new features which was checked is what will be made display for the customer. Okay, so to get to your mobile app settings, all you want to do is to log into your admin, go to customize application, then click on customize app settings. Once you click on it, okay, you get to see the list of menus. So of course, the first one is the name of your mobile app. Whatever name that you put here is what will be used. Of course, the primary color is the card of your mobile app. The the secondary colors are the colors of the buttons. Of course, the two colors are of the background, right? So of course, if you want your background to be white and will have the customized app logo, the logo you want to be used for your login, and as well as your landing page or your flash screen and the icon of the app, right? Then of course you get to see the list of menu you want to be displayed. So of course, whichever one that is unchecked won't be displayed on the mobile app except the one you checked, right? So of course, on the mobile app, what bank will you love to set as a default, right? So of course, what this simply means is whichever bank you decide to set as your default, that is the bank the app gets to open for each of your customers as they complete their KYC, a unique virtual account to be assigned to them on the selected bank which you have saved today. Okay, so I will give you a pause here and we are open if you have additional questions regarding your app settings. Of course, you can always navigate into your dashboard or engage our theme for that purpose. Of course, we also have um, uh, the mobile app advert, which has to do with the flash screen. Of course, there are other things you need to take note of. Hence, the design will not be displayed. Okay, so there are two options you have today, either to make it expired or not expire, right? So when uploading your act banner, you want to enter the subject, you want to change it to banner image file, and you want to put only the start date, leaving the end date blank, right? So of course, if the start dates are not close by, let's say you put tomorrow as a start date, you won't get to see that ad until tomorrow. Of course, the ads get to start displaying from the Saturday you have stated, and of course, also get to end on the set day you have specified. It's highly recommended if it's for a long time ads, you do not check or update the end date of the ads. Of course, we're able to make it a priority, which will basically make it a number one on the on your slides, right? Of course, you also get to give a text color for the buttons, and of course, input your website link if need be for those who prefer clicking on it for redirection. And and of course, if that's not use case for you today, you want to ignore the website by inputting any valid URL for it today. Okay, so of course, that is the app settings for the banner. If you want your advert to be made display for the mobile app, or of course, on the web app today, that is where you get to see where to make customize of the features, either you want it displayed or not in a real shed. Thank you, and that will be the end of this section.